Hey guys, I got me a new phone, so please forgive me if I mess up with this phone. I am at the Spring Rod Run 2021. Just got here, and Mrs. PIB and I decided that we were just going to come up here for a day or so. But I've already found my buddy's Chevy truck, GM 1038. He got up here a lot earlier than we did. We just decided we was just going to come up. So, already a lot of vehicles up here. This is Brian's truck. He cleaned it up real good. Brought it up here. Hang on. Hello? Making a video of your truck? Yeah. I see you there. See you. Okay. Anyway, I was looking at this for sale sign here. Brian's got his truck for sale. It's $11,000, and I'm telling you, you're getting a deal at that. But I just found out something. I made a video about a month ago about how everything changes at the rod runs. Well, case in point, I have heard that if these are the power line wires I was talking about in last month's video about going to the spring or fall rod run. If you are on this side of these power line wires, you're on city property. If you are on that side, you are on private property. So what's going on now in Pigeon Forge is that if you have a car parked on the city side with a for sale sign in it, you will be towed away. That's what I heard. I don't know if that's true, but that's what I've heard. So, something to consider. I don't know. Every time we come up here, Mrs. PIB and I, there's different rules, and you don't find out about the rules until it's too late most of the time. So, there's what you hear a whole bunch of. Fire trucks and ambulances. So, here's a 58 Chevy Bel-air. No, I'm sorry, Del Rey. I don't see a for sale sign in it. 4-speed. You don't see many 58s. Good looking car. Look at this Ford truck. 64 Ford. I don't ever touch anybody's stuff. I just look. Oh, here it is. $15,000 for this. Nice looking truck. My wife, Mrs. PIB, she'll be with me in just a minute. We decided we was going to get a room. They're much cheaper now than they are when it gets like Thursday. Well, yeah, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, they get really high. Here comes a 69 Camaro. Let's look at it real quick. Good looking car. We'll look at some of these over here real quick. My wife is kind of straightening up the items that we brought from the house. 66 Chevelle. don't know. I don't ever want to talk about anybody's vehicles, but it says it's a super sport. Maybe it is. I don't know. It's okay to clone one, but that super sport emblem is way too high. It needs to be lower. My opinion. I probably shouldn't have said that. It's a nice car. I'd be proud to have it. Another 58. Oh, Biscayne. Hey, another 58. Another 4-speed. Hey, it's a pretty nice car. For sale. Good driver, but as of yet, I don't see a price. Taking offers, not opinions. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I've brought stuff up here before that, you know, people just down it and everything else. You know, everybody has an opinion, and I do too. It's a Monza wagon. Kind of rare. Yes, it is. I've rode in these before, but not the wagons, just the, you know, sedans. Back in the day when they were everywhere. Got some old style Kragers on it.
That primer is best. Can I get your autograph?
Hey, Deanie.
How you doing?
Hang on, y'all. I gotta talk. Hey, let me ask you this question. Read us.
Let's get out of this stop.
How you doing? Fine, you?
Good.
Yeah, well,
It is.
okay, guys, I was talking to GM Tim 38 while I'm waiting on Mrs. PIB. Like I told you, I don't mean to repeat myself. Thought I'd look at some of these. This is a 67 because it's got these, the headlight bezels are like, it's a 66 doesn't. It's just all one piece without the thin looking things, you know. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but it's a 67. Pretty nice car. We might play that game after a while, like I played with y'all last fall, I think it was, and I'll show you a vehicle and you guess the price. I thought that was pretty fun game to play. They shaved the door handles and all. Pretty nice car. Hey. 52 Dodge. Power steering, power brakes, sailor trade. Here's what I like. 64 Pontiac. This is a Catalina convertible. This is a really nice car and looks like it's got all the paperwork. See those gauges? Those are really cool. My dad, I know I've told y'all this before, but he bought a 63 Pontiac Star Chief. Of course, it's a year older than this, but it's basically the same car. And it is a 4-door car. Beautiful car. Boy, that's a good car. Back when I was a kid. That's many, many years ago. Pretty cool. Somebody's changed the door handles on this. Let's see if this is a 66 or 7. Oh, here's what I'm talking about. It's a 66. See how it's just all one piece of chrome, shiny aluminum? Well, you've seen the difference, but 66 Nova SS. 50,000 or best offer. Man. I'll walk right here real quick. This place gets full up really quick. Hi, Brian. I don't know if this one's for sale. It's hard to find one that is not for sale. Up here, everybody brings them to sale. And a lot of times, just to keep from people aggravating you, they'll just have a ridiculous price. That's a lucky penny, isn't it? 4-speed. GTO it says. And the guy at this motel told me that this was his car for sale. 65 convertible Mustang. 6,500. Anyway, I'll stop here. There's more to come. Hey, let me look at this 58 real quick. Sounds pretty good. You don't see many 58s of anything, because in 1958 this country was going through a recession and nobody was buying too much of nothing. So to even find a 58, you've really been fortunate, I guess. I guess you could look at it that way. Anyway, I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Hang on. Okay, we're just riding around Pigeon Forge in this little Xbox car, and I'm trying to get everything. This is Tuesday, by the way, so the crowd hadn't got here yet, but I am surprised at all the people that that are already here. So I'm looking at this, what is it, 69 or 70 Chevy truck, 454, 400 trans, 32.5.
Air conditioned.
Yeah, air conditioned. Pretty nice truck. I'll walk over here real quick. This is a good way to get run over, because people are looking at cars and trucks and they're not paying attention where they're driving. This is kind of cool old tow truck. I like tow trucks, if you didn't know already. 65 354 bolt, 8,000. Everything works, it says. Pretty cool. Try to stand back where you can see the whole thing. But it's pretty cool. Trying to pay attention to my surroundings, because you will get. See, he's got his reverse lights on, and I was just about to walk behind him, and it's trying to start sprinkling. Man, imagine that. Alright, I'll walk down here and look at this one real quick. Nice looking Studebaker 68 Chevelle. Good looking long bed Chevy truck. AC truck, or it was born with AC. 71 or 2 model. It must not be for sale. What do y'all think about this cowl hood? Y'all let me know in the comments if you would. That's a nice truck. Okay. Some people, like I said, they just bring their stuff up here just to be driving them. There's no Plymouth. Okay, I'll get back with you in a minute. Okay guys, I thought I'd stop again. Look at this 57 Chevy 2-door post. '59 Impala steering wheel, that's one of my favorites, 4-speed. this one is not for sale, or maybe, I don't know. Beautiful car, beautiful 55 two-door hardtop car. Got a phone number on it. Hey, got the AC. This is a really nice car. As you can see, the pollen is all over everything. I'm trying to stand back where you can look at it. Here's no Ford, I guess 47 or whatever. Pretty nice. Yep, I was right. 47 Ford, 350, power brakes, air, power steering, 37,000. One I was wanting to look at is this one right here. This 55. Hideous. I like that name. For sale. With the phone number. Oh, I see. Let's look at this a little bit closer. I kind of like, you know me, I kind of like this style. Let's see. 355, Muncie 4-speed, Ford rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, new floor pans. Car was taken off frame, electric cutouts, Bluetooth, heater, tubular arms. 23.5. I actually don't know how they done it so cheap. It's a nice car. Show you the back of it real quick. It's a Georgia car.
Well, it's good talking to you.
Yeah, I like it. This is my cup of tea right here.
Yeah. I'm using his phone, I think.
There's another Chevy truck.
Thank you, sir.
This for sale. 15,000. 96 Silverado. Beautiful truck. Okay, I'm going to move on. I'll catch y'all in a minute.